Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 13 small business ideas for those of you who love working with your hands. If you're a hands-on entrepreneur looking to start your own business, you've come to the right place. So let's get started. Number 1, woodworking. First on our list is woodworking. This is a fantastic business idea for anyone who enjoys creating and building things from scratch. You can specialize in custom furniture, cabinetry, or even smaller items like cutting boards and picture frames. With some basic tools and a workshop space, you can start selling your handcrafted products online or at local markets and craft fairs. Number 2, pottery. If you have a knack for molding clay, starting a pottery business might be just the ticket. You can create beautiful ceramics, including dishware, vases, and decorative pieces. With a good marketing strategy and high-quality products, you can find customers who appreciate handmade items and are willing to pay a premium for them. Number 3, jewelry making. Jewelry making is another great option for hands-on entrepreneurs. You can craft unique custom pieces using materials like metals, glass, or beads. This business idea has plenty of room for creativity and personalization. With its strong online presence and eye-catching designs, you can attract customers and grow a loyal following. Number 4, soap making. If you're interested in combining creativity with a practical product, consider soap making. Handmade soaps are popular for their unique scents, colors, and natural ingredients. Plus, they make excellent gifts. You can sell your soaps online, at local markets, or through specialty stores. Number 5, gardening and landscaping. If you have a green thumb and enjoy working outdoors, starting a gardening and landscaping business might be a perfect fit. You can offer services like garden design, planting, and maintenance, as well as landscape installation and upkeep. This business idea is excellent for those who enjoy physical labor and the satisfaction of transforming outdoor spaces. Number 6, candle making. Next up, let's talk about candle making. Handmade candles are popular for their unique scents, shapes, and designs. With some basic supplies and a creative flair, you can start crafting and selling candles to customers who appreciate artisanal products. This business idea is perfect for those who enjoy working with their hands and have a passion for home decor. Number 7, bicycle repair. For those who enjoy tinkering with mechanical parts, starting a bicycle repair business is a great idea. You can provide services like tune-ups, part replacements, and custom modifications. With more people cycling for both leisure and transportation, the demand for bike repair services is only growing. Number 8, tailoring and alterations. If you have sewing skills, starting a tailoring and alterations business might be the perfect hands-on venture. You can offer services like custom clothing, alterations, and repairs. With a steady stream of clients needing adjustments and repairs, this business can provide a stable income for skilled seamstresses and tailors. Number 9, leatherworking. Leatherworking is an excellent small business idea for those who appreciate quality craftsmanship and enjoy working with durable materials. You can create a variety of products such as wallets, belts, bags, and even custom leather goods like holsters or saddles. With some basic tools and dedicated workspace, you can hone your skills and create unique, high-quality items that customers will value for their durability and timeless style. Number 10, mobile car detailing. If you enjoy working with cars and have an attention to detail, consider starting a mobile car detailing business. You can offer services like washing, waxing, and interior cleaning, all from the convenience of your client's location. This hands-on business idea is perfect for those who enjoy working outdoors and providing exceptional customer service. Number 11, handmade greeting cards. For the artistically inclined, creating handmade greeting cards can be fulfilling and profitable business. You can design and produce cards for various occasions using different materials and techniques. Sell your cards online or through local shops and markets to reach a wide range of customers who appreciate unique, heartfelt sentiments. Number 12, upholstery services. For those skilled in fabric work, an upholstery business might be the perfect hands-on venture. You can offer services like reupholstering furniture, repairing torn fabric, or even creating custom upholstery designs. With a growing interest in upcycling and restoring older furniture, this business idea has plenty of potential for growth. Number 13, mobile pet grooming. Animal lovers with a knack for grooming can consider starting a mobile pet grooming business. You can travel to clients' homes and provide services like bathing, brushing, and nail trimming for their pets. This hands-on business idea is perfect for those who enjoy working with animals and want the flexibility of a mobile service. And that's just about it. So there you have it, 13 amazing small business ideas for hands-on entrepreneurs. I hope you found some inspiration in this list and feel encouraged to pursue your passion. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Good luck and see you in the next video.